So let me show you the power of the web forms we have. So right here I've signed into Formintel as my company, Acme Insure, and in my dashboard on the left I have web forms. Now web forms have many uses and I'm going to show you some of them. So a simple one we have here is office keys request form. So this is somebody who owns lots of office space. This business rents out office space, and when a new customer wants to pick up the keys, they would like them to sign for these keys. So all they have to do is click on Get Link for this form, and this link gets copied to the dashboard or to the clipboard, so you can send that to someone via email, WhatsApp, or something like that. So this is what happens when you paste that link. So this could be sent to somebody on WhatsApp, and when they click the link, it looks like this. So the business logo is there. This is what the customer now sees. So I would like to pick up these office keys. So I need to type in my name, my passport number. This is the office location we're talking about. I'd like to pick up keys for this office location. And I'm going to type in the date just to show that I'm picking up on this particular day, and this is where I can sign. Right now I'm signing with my mouse, but I can also sign with my finger if I'm looking at this on a mobile phone, and then I'll press submit. So what happens is the customer has now digitally signed for something. He's got the keys and the record is stored. So where's the record stored? Well, if I go back into my business dashboard and I go to this form and I press records, I can now see the list of all the people that have signed this form. And if I click on it, that's exactly what was just filled in. Okay, so you got the signature there, and nobody can argue that that was done. Let me show you something slightly different. Here we have a breakfast menu, which, as you know, is becoming a big business these days. A QR code for menus at restaurants. So it's the same thing, the breakfast menu. I can get the link, I can send it to somebody on WhatsApp like I showed you before, but I can also send somebody a QR code, or I can click on QR code and have it printed. So I press the download button if I want to print it and stick it on the tables at my restaurant, or stick it outside, or I can click here and copy the link to it to share it with somebody, for example, and this is how it would come out. So the QR code is shareable in that way. And when you scan the QR code or click on it, what happens is it takes you to that form. So let me show you that. So I'm going to press get link to the menu so I can go directly to the menu. So this, again, it's mobile friendly. So if you are ordering, you can actually not only see the menu here, but because it's a form and not just a picture of a menu, you can actually make an order as well. So I'm going to type in my name. I'm at a restaurant and I would like a mini breakfast with white toast, and maybe my wife wants a breakfast wrap and a health wrap, and I press submit. So I've actually placed my order to the restaurant. So for example, if that link was sent to me at my house, I've now ordered something online, and they, in the business dashboard, they would be able to go to the breakfast menu and look at the records and click to see my order, and there it is. So they would process that order immediately.